WooCommerce integration allows customers to upload files directly to your Google Drive during the checkout process. To enable WooCommerce integration, navigate to Google Drive. From WordPress Admin Dashboard, Settings, Integrations, enable WooCommerce integration, save changes. From WooCommerce Settings, enable Uploads to allow customers upload files on Google Drive. Display Google Drive upload box based on order status and customize upload box placement at various locations throughout the checkout process. To create a Google Drive uploadable product, navigate to WooCommerce Products page, add New Product, tick Uploadable. After enabling Uploadable, Upload to Google Drive, new tab will appear. From Upload to Google Drive tab, tick Show Upload Box, click on Configure Uploader button. From the Source tab, select a Google Drive folder to allow users upload files inside the folder. Or, enable folder selection to allow users select allocated folder dynamically while uploading file. From the Filter tab, restrict file upload based on extensions, upload quantity, file size, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure advanced functionality such as Show Upload Box Label, Upload Immediately, and others. From the Notifications tab, set email notification once upload is completed. From the Permissions tab, set upload permission settings such as overwrite files, enable folder upload, file name template, and others. You can also set uploader visibility for everyone or specific user. Save changes, publish the product. Users now can upload files directly to a selected Google Drive folder through the product page, and files will be stored in that specific folder. Admins can also check uploaded files from WooCommerce order page.